Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Mimi. It's Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to show your girl some love, like, comment, and subscribe. And for my new subscribers, y'all know I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. Today I'm gonna give you my opinion of the Rihanna Body Sprays. My homegirl told me how good it smelled and stuff like that, and I was like, let me go out and go get these body sprays and give you, my opinion of them. Today I'm gonna have some assistance from my bae. Say hey, bae.
Hey.
Alright, so we're gonna jump right in this. Okay. The first one is RogueLove. Okay. Let me see. We're gonna rate these on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being the best and 1 being the least that we like. Here goes the first one. Let's spray this. Like that. Let's see. It's nice, soft. How it smells to you?
It smells good. It smells like a spicy fruit.
And it just captures you. All right.
It smells like strawberry with a little bit of pepper.
Exactly. This could be like my everyday wear. I give it a 5. What about you?
Give it a 5.
5. Okay, that's the first one.
That's good.
Oh, real good. Next one is Nude. Let's see how this one smells.
Nude should smell good.
It should.
It's nude.
This one got like a nice spicy kick to it. Smell that one.
Okay.
It's like a nice spicy kick.
Okay. Yeah, it smells like nude. That's really delicious.
It is.
That's really good.
That's
Nude
good.
definitely get a 5.
Yeah.
6. I'm sorry, we don't.
It's a
But
6.
That's really good.
Man, I put this on. Shoot.
She ain't going nowhere. She put it on. She on the bed.
I can't wear nude outside, y'all. It smells that good. Next one is what, LaBelle. Okay. Spray this one. Oh. This one smells real good. It smells like nice and woody and not overpowering. That one is man.
Smells like
Shoot.
a nice rainy day in the forest or in a cabin.
It smells really, really good.
Yeah, it smells really good. I didn't
This
even
could be.
know what to.
This
I didn't even know
could
how to
be
describe it.
like a special occasion type of body spray, like
Yeah, that's
a special
like,
occasion.
Yeah, that's like, yeah, special occasion.
Shoot, you gotta take that from like your. You can't wear that every day. That's a special occasion. Like really, really good.
Make sure I mark them, check them bottles when she use them. If I see them used, I already know.
So far,
something went down.
so far, Nude I can't wear unless I'm going to bed.
And
But
that other one, that red one.
Rebelle, I can't wear that because she gonna be like,
No, you can wear it, but on a special occasion.
Special occasion.
I'm supposed to be on that special occasion.
only with her. I can't wear them
If
outside.
I see it's about half empty, you got a problem.
All right, y'all. Moving right along. Next one is Crush. Okay, let's see how Crush smell. Can I wear Crush outside?
That Rebelle smell like.
Rebelle smells
Smell
good.
like vacation.
Vacation. Let's see how Crush smell. It smells sophisticated, like sophisticated, nice, light, a mixture of fruits and a woody smell, not overpowering. It's perfect.
Smells like corporate business. Money.
It sure do. It smells too.
I think we just be naming all these things. Yeah, that one smell like money. Like you mean business.
Exactly.
You walk up into a room, they like, oh, she ain't come to play.
No.
Nope.
No.
That's how it smells, guys. It's really good.
Very, very good.
So far.
Everything smells good so far. That's 4 out of 4. Oh, what did we rate it? I would give that one a freaking 10.
Okay, we said 1 to 5.
We said,
it's cool, but I think we just gonna do 6
we'll do 1 through 5. So
5.
5.
We gonna keep it simple.
Yeah,
5.
let's keep it simple. So far, they all 5s. Even though we had said 6 for some, but they all 5s.
Yeah.
They all 5s. Now, Reb'lFleur. If I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. Doing the best I can. Let's see how this one smells. Let's see.
Sunday night smell all fruity up in here.
I can't read this one either, y'all. I can't read this one either. I can't stop smelling it. That's how good it smells. I can't read that one either.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, it smells so. Oh man, that smells so good. It's like a scent that you. Damn, it smells so good.
It smells like. This smells like a new homeowner. She's bought a big house. Like this. We already got money over there.
Exactly. That's.
That smells like. That's this success.
Exact. I said.
Success.
Exactly. All right, and we graded this one a 5.
That smells like beautiful dreams.
Oh my, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I need to get a sip after that. Let me get me a sip of my wine.
So far, she can't wear all of them. Right? I think but one.
I only could wear one, y'all. I only could wear one.
The first one.
This the only one
So far.
I could wear. And
It smells good though, but you know. That first one is more like going to work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta work.
That's the everyday one,
Right.
you know. But the other ones, special occasions, you know, and
That's that. The first one is like you got to smell good for a commuter. You know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we got RiRi. Let's see how RiRi smells.
Okay, RiRi.
Alright, cause so far everything is fire. Fire. Let me spray this one.
Hey, you said last but not least. That is not the last one.
It is. Go ahead, RiRi. Smell like candy. Maybe it smells like candy. Smell good.
Yeah.
I could wear that one outside, y'all. I could wear that one outside. I already know. I could, right? I could wear that one outside. That got one in the first one. I can wear outside. The first and the last one. So I could wear RiRi outside, and I could wear Rogue outside. The other 4 I cannot wear outside. Nope.
No. But they was awesome.
And RiRi also gets a 5. So they all get a 5, and they all smell awesome. Everything smells different, you know. It has its own unique smell. Man, Rihanna is the bomb.
She have more?
She has all of this in perfume form. These are the, in regards to the body sprays, these are the only ones that I saw so far. I'm not sure if she has any more. But if she gets any more, you best believe I'm going to check them out. Let y'all know how I feel about it, you know. Definitely. Shoot. Go ahead, RiRi. You go, girl.
Yeah, so yeah, I think they all a winner.
They all are a winner, and they all smell different, and we gave you guys our honest, you know, opinion about them.
Listen, ladies, if you cop it, your man or your woman or whoever you with, listen, whatever you want, you better ask when you put them damn colognes on, because you will get it.
Perfumes, body sprays.
You're gonna get it.
Sure.
Trust, but you have to have the body sprays on. If you don't have the body sprays on, don't just be asking for anything you want. You ain't got no. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I think that's it.
You like them?
I love them. Every single one. I love them. I love them.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
I know when you put them on. Ooh, girl. You're going to go right to sleep. Nah, but they good, though. Night.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add? That's maybe it, right? All right, y'all. So we'll talk to you later. Boo. Bye.